Hello, and today I am going to be teaching you how to create aromatherapy shower hangers. And all you need, really simple, are a variety of herbs, scissors, and string, and then a shower head or a bathtub head that you would be able to hang this bundle up on when you have everything gathered. Now, you will want to be using herbs like catmint, yarrow, or lavender because they have lots of nice, strong smells to them. So if you go, yum, it smells so good. So you'll want things that smell really good. As the shower water hits these herbs and the steam starts to flow in your face, it'll smell really good and you'll feel really good as well, depending on what herbs you use. Now, lavender is really great because it helps with sleep. It also helps with skin conditions and revitalizing skin, which is a great thing to have in your shower. Is something that's going to help your skin out. So as you pick, make sure that you have clean shears and cut your stems. You can get the foliage or the flowers. Now, catmint aromatherapy is great to relieve anxiety, which lavender can do as well. Lavender is very calming, and when combined with the catmint, can really improve anxiety, get rid of stresses throughout the day. So if you are stressed by school or by anything really, this can help. Once you have a nice, good cluster like this, you want to remove the foliage from the woody stems. They smell good. And now, with your string, simply tie it around the ends. Now let's go inside and see how it looks on the shower head. Alright, so now we just tie this bundle right around the shower head. So that when we turn the water on, the water is going to come right out of here and steep over these wonderful herbs and right onto our face. And it should be pretty good. And all of that steam is going to build up. We're going to be breathing it in. It's going to be on our skin and we'll be a lot calmer because of it with the lavender and catmint combo. Our skin will be pretty clear. Lavender does wonders for things like psoriasis and just clearing up the skin. And with all that, our shower or bath time at the end of the day is going to be a much more relaxing one as we get closer to nature.